Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Discord startup minimize when your computer boots up. So perhaps you don't mind Discord starting when your computer starts, but you just don't want it to pop up on the screen. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to modify that setting. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Discord and select the gear icon in the bottom corner that says User Settings. And then on the left side, you want to go underneath App Settings and scroll down to Windows Settings. And then where it says underneath Windows Settings, Start Minimized, Discord starts in the background and remains out of your way. Click inside that oval to toggle it on. However, if the Open Discord option is toggled off at the top so Discord does not start when your computer starts up, you will not be able to adjust the minimize settings. So you have to have this top option enabled, and then you can minimize it on or off, basically your preference. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.